rearrangement and evaluation of formulae. The operations involved in solving equations and changing the subject are the same. A. Solve 3x plus 1 equals 12. Subtract 1 from both sides, giving 3x equals 11. Divide both sides by 3, giving x equals 11 over 3. B. Make x the subject. mx plus b equals a. Subtract b from both sides, giving mx equals a minus b. Divide both sides by m, leaving x equals a minus b divided by m. C. Solve 3a plus 1 all over 2 equals 4. Times both sides by 2, leaving 3x plus 1 equals 8. Subtract 1 from both sides, leaving 3x equals 7. Divide both sides by 3, therefore x equals 7 divided by 3. D. Make a the subject. na plus b all over m equals n. Times both sides by m, giving na plus b equals nm. Subtract b from both sides, giving na equals nm minus b. Divide both sides by n, giving a equals nm minus b all over n. E. Solve 3 brackets y minus 2 equals 5. Multiply out the bracket, giving 3y minus 6 equals 5. Add 6 to both sides, giving 3y equals 11. Divide both sides by 3, giving y equals 11 over 3. F. Make y the subject. X brackets y minus a equals e. Multiply out the bracket, giving xy minus xa equals e. Add xa to both sides, giving xy equals e plus xa. Divide both sides by x, giving y equals e plus xa all over x. G. Solve 4 divided by z equals 7. Multiply both sides by z, giving 4 equals 7z. Divide both sides by 7, giving 4 divided by 7 equals z. Reverse, therefore z equals 4 over 7. H. Make z the subject. N divided by z equals k. Multiply both sides by z, giving n equals z over k. Divide both sides by k, giving n over k equals z. Reverse, therefore z equals n divided by k. I. Make x the subject. The square root of x squared plus a equals b. To remove a square root, square both sides, giving x squared plus a equals b squared. Subtract a from both sides, giving x squared equals b squared minus a. To remove a squared, square root both sides, giving x equals plus or minus the square root of b squared plus a. When you square root something, you always get a plus and a minus. J. Make x the subject. Brackets ax minus b all squared equals m. Square root both sides, giving ax minus b equals plus or minus the square root of b. Add b to both sides, giving ax equals plus or minus the square root of m plus b. Reverse the left-hand side, giving ax equals b plus or minus the square root of m. Divide both sides by a, giving x equals b plus or minus the square root of m all over a. K. Make x the subject. Ax minus b equals cx plus d. Collect all terms with x on the left-hand side and all terms without x on the right-hand side, giving ax minus cx equals d plus b. Factorise the left-hand side, giving x brackets a minus c equals d plus b. Divide both sides by a minus c, giving x equals d plus b all over a minus c. L. Make w the subject of the formula c equals the square root of w all over w plus a. Square both sides, giving c squared equals w over w plus a. Times both sides by w plus a, giving c squared brackets w plus a equals w. Multiply out the bracket, giving c squared w plus c squared a equals w. Collect all terms in w on the left-hand side, giving c squared w minus w equals minus c squared a. Factorise, giving w brackets c squared minus 1 equals minus c squared a. Divide by c squared minus 1, giving w equals minus c squared all over c squared minus 1, which can also be written as c squared all over 1 minus c squared.